So today is 20th of October and currently the time is somewhere around 4:15 and I am on my way to Panjim. So in this video I am going to be showing you all the boat cruise which operate in the Mandovi river, and I'm still not that sure yet if I'll be able to do it or no, because today the weather is like not so good. It's raining today, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to do or no. And I'll also show you all how the cruise and all is, like the cruise which operate and everything. Okay, so let's go. We parked our car in one of the parking spots and now we are on our way to purchase the ticket for the cruise. Okay, so I'll show you all where you all can purchase the cruise tickets. So this is the Goanvlogger Mar, okay, and on the right side you will get like all the casino tickets as well. So we were just roaming for the tickets and we found this man and we are booking our ticket through him, in which we are going to be riding. So we have taken a sunset cruise. So currently the time is somewhat around 5:15 and this will depart at around 6 o'clock. So at 6 o'clock the journey will start for this, and this is the whole cruise and this is the whole jetty. There is another cruise there. So we have boarded the cruise and right now I'm like on the main deck. Okay, I haven't gone on top yet. Okay, and you all can see here are the casinos. This one here is the Deltin Jack and there is the Casino Pride, and currently our cruise is like docked, so because of that you all won't get like a moving view. Okay, and there is the Atal Setu bridge. So on the first deck there is also like this closed, completely closed like thing, and this is like the AC one, and over here all the dance performances and all take place, and it's like quite decorated, but the lights have not been turned on yet. This lights will be turned on when the cruise starts moving, so I'm just showing it to you all once before all the lights are turned on. Okay, so now I'll show you the second deck. So this is this upper deck, and because the time it hasn't been yet time to start, that's why you'll find it all empty. And this one is like the open one, and here you all have this bar area. So when you all want to go to any of the casinos, the small boats are the ones which take you all inside the casinos. So you all will be going in these boats till the casinos. Cruise has finally departed from the jetty, and here what you all see is the jetty from where the boats for the Big Daddy Casino departs. And just look at the weather. It has already started raining and it's also thundering. So this is the whole view of the upper deck. Okay, and here all the bar like the drinks and the snacks. For snacks you all get french fries. All is paid. Okay, nothing is included in the tickets. So all these casinos which you all see are all docked up in the Mandovi river, and also all these cruise tours which take place in the Mandovi river. Okay, and that is the Panjim city on the other side. And so that's the Big Daddy Casino over there in the distance. Then here is another one. Then there is Casino Pride. So this side here there are just like 3 at the moment, and that one is the Dolphin, and I don't know which one is that in the distance. another cruise ship, and this one is the dinner one. You all can see it's a bit more, like on the luxurious side. So this is there. It's the Naughty Amico.
Let's go together. Let's go. And now we are presenting you all the first dance of the evening. This dance is known as the Victory Dance, the Welcome Dance from Goa. A kind request, please.
Saya bapak terletak, tak bulan lena komentar. Tak saya bawa di dapur, tak saya bawa di koridor. Tak bulan waktu bawa tak toke, tak bulan waktu bawa tak toke. Agak moja, taria mau, agak moja, taria mau. Tak bulan waktu bawa tak toke.
So there were a few shows on the deck downstairs, and after watching the shows we are again here back on the top deck, and here you all won't find much crowd because most of them are down on the first deck enjoying. So this was the whole cruise ship. Like mostly you all just get like performances like once the cruise starts, and like for almost 1 hour all the functions take place. So it's 7 PM at the moment, and the cruise ride is also about to end. Okay, and after all the function and all, we are almost back to the jetty from where we started, and it's also raining quite heavily at the moment. our cruise has like finally docked back on the jetty, and now all passengers are going to be deboarding. So currently the time is like around 7:10 and it's back. So then the distance is the booking office of the Big Daddy Casino, and right after the office you will see this blue building, and just there is the entrance to the jetty from where you all board the cruise ships. Okay, so just showing it to you all, and here is the whole road. So now after the boat ride we are going to a place to have dinner, and this is the whole Panjim market. So I'm just giving you all a quick tour, and if you want like a proper detailed video on the Panjim city, I already have it on my channel, like I have made one, so you can definitely check that out. So this is the whole market area. पर्वत भी है। कोई है ही नहीं, खाली है पूरा। हाँ आगे डॉमिनोज है टर्न पे। So that is the very popular church in Panjim, that is the Immaculate Conception Church. Okay, and right here on the streets is this hotel, the Kamath Hotel. So whenever we are here in Panjim, this is our like go-to. We always just come here.
Our favorite spot.
Yeah, favorite spot. So we are here for dinner today. So I'll just show you the menu. Okay. So this is the menu. You can see. Oh, I didn't know that they also had a chain in Dubai. So if I have any viewers from Dubai, you can check this out. Thank you. So we have had a dinner, and at this place, the Kamath Hotel, like the food is like the prices of the food are like very reasonable. So I just thought of showing it to you all, and I also showed you all the location. So like when you all are in like the same locality, you all can like definitely come here, and the food is also like quite good. So that's just a recommendation of our go-to eatery in Panjim. So you all saw that we did the boat cruise, and then we went to have our dinner, and now as you all can see, like it's like lighting, and because of that we are also now leaving from here because we don't want to get caught in rain, although we came by car, but still. Okay, so well, that was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.